So I'm at CES 2024 on the lookout for a good pair of headphones, something that sounds good, is lightweight, comfortable, and can last for days. Actually, I think I might have just found it. So Shokz was kind enough to send me out here to CES to sponsor this video and give me a chance to check out all the stuff they've got here at CES 2024. So before I get to all that stuff, whether I'm at CES or not, I want to thank you guys for supporting the channel for years. Give you a chance to win $500. All you gotta do, leave me a comment down below. Tell me the first song you'd listen to with your new pair of Shokz headphones. Tell me a joke, or tell me a fact about yourself, whatever it might be. Just make sure you give the video a thumbs up and leave your social handle in the comments or a way to contact you on your YouTube channel so I can let you know if you win. Let it run for 10 days, open to anyone in the world. All information you need, there will be in the description down below. Out of all the headphones that Shokz is showing here, OpenFit's kind of a special spot in my heart, and they are in my bag everywhere I go. They are designed for ultimate comfort. They're lightweight, have incredibly awesome sound. And again, as somebody who had an ear surgery, I'm really sensitive to comfort with headphones. I can't have anything heavy, can't have anything pushing on the back, and these I can wear for hours. But also, you're probably thinking, if it's not going into your ear, how is that sound going to be? The sound is really good. There's a customized dynamic driver. This gives you direct pitch technology for power and bass and allows you to still hear all the other things around you, which is important for kind of a situational awareness. For me, it's at home to hear my family. You have to try a pair for yourself, and it is shockingly good how good the audio is without physically being in your ear. They're also crazy comfortable as well. Battery hours too, like for literal days, get up to 28 hours, including the case. Everything on these things feels good. If you happen to get a little bit of water splash on them, you'll be fine too. It's IP54 water resistance. There's also more customization you can do in the Shokz app as far as audio. I generally just leave it as default. They're available for just under $180 at $179.95. So I have a lot of resolutions this year. One of them is to try to be more active. Whether you're trying or you are more active or you're an active runner, OpenRun Pro might be a perfect fit for you. So they are 20% smaller than the previous version, and they've refined the design for sort of balance, weight distribution. That's gonna kind of allow you to be safe and aware of the surroundings around you so you can obviously hear what's happening. And these are being powered by Shokz Turbo Pitch Tech. It's a bass enhancement for better experience and really good depth. Also, if you're like to do that thing, you could jog out in the rain, IP55, and they also fit really secure with a wraparound titanium frame. There's dual noise canceling mics. You can quick charge these things, 5 minutes, it'll give you 15 hours. Build different colors too, so it can match your fit, black, beige, pink, or blue. And actually using bone conducting technology to get the audio into your ear. And they're by Shokz, so you know they're gonna work well, and they're gonna be extremely comfortable. So take one guess what these are for behind me. Meet the Open Swim Pro for open swimming. IP68 waterproof bone conduction headphones geared at the water sports fanatics out there. Wearing headphones underwater might not sound that intuitive if you want to swim, but if you are training, you're in a pool a lot, you want to listen to your podcast, you want to have a swim training going on in your ear, you want to listen to some YouTube videos while you're getting your swim on, you can do that. It's the cool thing about these, you can use them like regular headphones, except literally jump in the water. They look kind of big, but they are surprisingly lightweight, incredibly comfortable, obviously waterproof. They can be submersed for up to 2 hours in 2 meters of water. I'm hoping to get a pair of these and jump in the pool, but allegedly that sounds incredibly good as well. It's doing all that with the bone conducting technology. So overall, kind of cool to see. One I haven't tested out yet in person yet. When I do, I'll jump in the pool. So there's another pair of headphones here that I hadn't tested yet, I hadn't even seen, but meet the OpenCom 2 UC. And if you need these, you know who you are. You are on the phone all the time. You're living in Zoom or you're taking video calls all the time. It's an open ear design, incredibly light for all-day comfort. It's also noise canceling built in. It's got a nice boom mic, Bluetooth 5.1, up to 16 hours of talk time. And because they're Shokz, they're lightweight, easy to wear, and I'm assuming pretty comfortable. So I think buying headphones is generally a confusing experience. If you go to Best Buy, you look online, there are hundreds of options, and some look similar, some look different, and there's a lot of technologies. And I know that this is a sponsored video, but I wanted to work with Shokz because I legitimately use their products. They work exactly as advertised, which is not as common as you would think in the headphone space. The audio always sounds good. They always pair fast. The battery life is always amazing, and they feel really good behind my ears. And I showed some of the stuff they have here, but there's also a lot more. There's some non-pro versions that I talked about, like the Open Runs, and a bunch of other products. And if you're in the market for new headphones, or you think you might be in the future, you owe it to yourself to at least check out what Shokz is doing. And of course, I got a link to it down below.